The new H13 Drone 4K is an excellent choice for anyone new to aerial photography, offering a combination of advanced features, ease of use, and a solid design. This drone makes it simple and fun to capture stunning aerial photos and videos, all while providing a safe and stable flying experience. Intelligent and safe flight. One of the most impressive features of the H13 is its intelligent obstacle avoidance function, which automatically helps the drone steer clear of obstacles, significantly reducing the risk of crashes. This is a game changer for new pilots who are still getting the hang of flying. The brushless motor provides a more stable and efficient flight, while the optical flow positioning system ensures the drone hovers in place with precision. These features, combined with a low-power alarm, give you confidence and peace of mind during every flight. High-quality camera and versatile controls. Equipped with a 4K dual-camera system, the H13 drone allows you to capture crisp and clear photos and videos. The front camera is electrically adjustable up to 148 degrees, giving you the flexibility to take amazing overhead shots. The drone also supports a range of fun and practical features, including gesture photography, trajectory flight, and 360 degrees rolls. Whether you're using the remote control or the mobile app, you'll find the controls intuitive and responsive, making it easy to unleash your creativity. User-friendly design. The H13 is designed to be highly portable and convenient. Its compact, foldable design allows you to easily pack it up and take it on your next adventure. With one-key takeoff and landing and headless mode, even a complete beginner can get the drone in the air quickly. The included accessories, such as a screwdriver, spare fan blades, and protective covers, ensure you have everything you need to get started right out of the box. In summary, the new H13 Drone 4K is an outstanding drone for beginners, blending intelligent safety features with a high-quality camera and a user-friendly design. It's a great way to explore aerial photography and videography without the stress of complicated controls or the fear of damaging the drone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.